Hey YouTube, I hope everybody's doing well out there. You're still here in Costa Rica and feeding the birds here at my doorstep. Got my own, see if they can come out here some more. There's a bunch of bread out there. Anyway, Costa Rica has most species of birds. We get the macaws flying by here overhead daily, and it's just a beautiful place. A lot of people come down here for the bird watching. I don't know that much about birds, but anyway, we get quite a few here on the grounds. I can't believe I've been here almost 2 months. Got here April, first week of April, and we're already at the end of May. And anyway, I'll upload some more images when the birds come back. Stay tuned. Yeah, they keep coming back, but I keep missing them with the video. Let's see if we can get them in a little closer. We have to clean up all this bread here. We also have a pretty good sized family of iguanas living here. So this is the scene from my front door, right by the pool. It looks like kookaburra, but it's yellow. Anyway, kids in the pool are keeping the birds away today. So it's just another day here of feeding the birds. I wish I was back in the States. I haven't been making too many videos. The only reason I wish I was back in the States would be to buy some silver. There's no silver for sale, or no bullion here in Costa Rica. But anyway, plata means silver, means money down here. But I hope everybody's having a fantastic day. And today is June 1st. And anyway, I will be uploading a couple more videos so I know how I make some money while I'm down here. So anyway, take care, and please subscribe and let me know what you think.